Alright, we're going to solve this problem using the counting back strategy. Nora has 9 toy cars. She leaves 3 toy cars at her Poppy's house. How many cars does she have left? Here's a picture of her cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to use the counters to represent the cars. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters. When we start and we are going to model Nora leaving 3 cars at her Poppy, so she had 9 cars. But when she left 3 cars. 1, 2, 3. So when we count back 1, 2, 3, we can count back from 9 where we start, and we count back 1 to 8, 7, 6. So what subtraction sentence can we write? We can write 9 subtract 3 equals 6. That's how many cars Nora went home with. Another way to show that is to use a number line. So we start here with what Nora has at the number 9, and we hop back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So here's where we started. We hop back 1, 2, 3 for the 3 cars she left, and we can see 9, 8, 7, 6. Once again, our subtraction sentence is 9 subtract 3 equals 6. This is an example of using the counting back strategy.